Welcome back to the Kube 365 platform training. In this chapter, we'll be covering task assignment and reassignment within a workflow. Using the workflow created in the previous chapter, let's take a closer look at the assignment settings within a stage. Select the General Manager Approval stage and click on Assigned To. Within the assignment options, you can configure how many assignees are required to take action before the workflow proceeds to the next stage. If multiple assignees are added, for example, both the General Manager user group and Human Resources Manager user group, you can change the requirement to all assignees. In this case, every assigned user must take action before the workflow can proceed. Alternatively, you can specify a minimum number of assignees required to take action. The last option will allow required approvers to take action one after the other in a sequence. For example, you may require the General Manager to take action first, followed by the Human Resources Manager. You can assign tasks using different sources. This includes user groups, individual users, values from a people picker field, master lists, matrices, or even external users. This provides flexibility in how tasks are routed within your workflow. Additional options include Add Substages Approval to allow this stage approver to add additional approvers, Perform Action Below if no assignee assigned to this stage, and Perform Action Below if requester is one of the approvers. For example, with the Perform Action options, if a group is assigned to a stage but currently contains no users, or if the designated approver is the requester, the workflow can be configured to automatically proceed to another stage based on the defined action. Next, we'll go over the process flow. In the Workflow Designer page, click the three-dot menu on the right and click on Edit Workflow. Go to Preview Process Flow and toggle it on. If we navigate to New Submission, we can now open the process flow and see the full process flow. Lastly, we'll go over task reassignment. Click on the General Manager Approval stage, enable Allow Task Reassignment, and save your changes. Then we'll open Notification Settings and add a new notification. We'll use the Pending Task Notification template, but edit the subject line with Reassigned Task. And change the When to Send to Reassign Task. We'll click Save, then publish the workflow. Submit a form to start the workflow. Then navigate to the submission in the My Submissions tab. Click Reassign Task, then reassign the task to the Human Resources Manager. Add a comment, and click Reassign Task. Once completed, the task will now be assigned to the new user, and they will receive a notification. Reassigned tasks can also be seen in the process flow. That concludes this chapter on task assignment and reassignment in Kube 365. You should now have a solid understanding of how to configure assignment rules, manage process flow visibility, and reassign tasks within a workflow. Thanks for watching.